Hey y'all, welcome to Big Hair Don't Care. Today is not a hair video. Today I am filming a makeup tutorial because I thought it would be fun, and I'm in quarantine, or well, pretty much all in quarantine, and I'm bored. So I'm just playing with makeup today. If you end up liking the look, then go ahead and follow along with me. I'm sorry that I did my eyebrows off camera. I think I'm gonna go with this color. I think this color would be really pretty. So I'm going in with this brush. I don't know the name of this brush, but here's the shape, and it's really nice and fluffy. Let's go ahead and fan it on. It's a nice creamy color. And I'm gonna kind of go a little bit higher with it, mainly because it is a base color. That is a really pretty color. It's really natural too. That's something I really like about this color. It's nice and natural. Kind of drag it out a little bit because I do like the dragged out look where it's kind of sharp at the end. That is so pretty to me. So this is the first step. A little bit darker, like mainly up here at the end, because the other side is not trying to get any lighter, so we're just gonna even it out. This is cute. And take the same brush and kind of just blend it out a little bit. A little bit. So I think I like that. That is super cute. Yeah, that's cute. So this is my base, and we gotta go ahead with some other colors to add some more oomph to this look. So I'm gonna go ahead. So we use this pinky red, like this, I don't know what you want to call this color. This really cute color, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna go ahead with this color right here in the crease to kind of shade out my crease a little bit. And I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp it into my crease. Just stamp it right in and kind of drag it outwards to the front, just to really shade it out a little bit. And take this brush right here and just blend that out. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. This color right here, I think this would be a really pretty color for this part. Like, I don't know what you want me to call that part, but it would be really pretty for there. You know, I just use my finger. Now to the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and add this super silver color. It's like it's really glittery. I like this color. I use this for my highlighter sometimes. It'll just really bring it out so you can really see something out of it. Right to the middle bit, because this one came out with a lot. Yeah, it's better. So now it's like a little more to the look. And now I'm gonna do something fun, and I'm going to add a smoky wing and stamp on the wing. Okay. Like I said, guys, I'm just playing with makeup. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going for it. Just going for it. Because why not? Especially if I mess up, nobody's gonna see it. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. I just smoked it out. And then this part I can just fix with some concealer and foundation. That's gonna go right on top of it. Honestly, I think this look is actually pretty cute. It's super easy too. So keep that in mind, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. Add a little like bit of silver to the inner corner. Okay, I think I like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go into the face, which will be hopefully a lot quicker. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this for my foundation today. I usually switch between the True Match and the L'Oreal Paris True Match super blendable makeup in the color caramel beige. But today I had bought this La foundation not too long ago, and I'm kind of want to try it. So I'm gonna go ahead. So first thing I noticed about this foundation, it's a little bit thicker than my other foundation, and it looks more like red tone, if that makes any sense. Still a really nice color. Ew, my hair. I'm sure I do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything out now. One thing I noticed is that this foundation kind of smells like paint, like wall paint. So on camera, it looks a lot lighter than what it really is. I don't know why the camera makes me look so much whiter. I don't know. I know a lot of people like to go for a more natural look, but I don't really care. Honestly, I don't know. I'm gonna try this because I've never tried this and I bought it. And this looks like it'll match my forehead a little bit better. Oh yeah, that matches a lot better to my forehead. Because my forehead is super dark. It's usually darker than the rest of my face, mainly because it's so big and it's the first thing that catches the sun's attention. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on my face. And I'll kind of blend it out a little bit more to even out my face color. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna try this as a concealer because something about my foundation is a little bit too light, and I'm trying to figure out if it's this. So like I can't quite determine what it is. I think it's my banana powder that's making me look super white sometimes. Ooh, it looks really white. But it could also be my foundation. That's why I'm testing it out. Because I genuinely just don't know what's making my face look so white. And like, I don't want to look super white when I do my makeup, you know what I mean? Like, nobody wants to look super white. Or like, they put on the wrong foundation this morning, you know? Or they did their makeup in the dark or something. I don't want to look like that. Actually, it looks pretty good. Like, for this foundation looks great as a concealer underneath my eyes. Guys, I'm kind of shook right now. I definitely feel like I look less white now. I don't know what I have been doing this whole time. I could have been doing this. I could have been looking this good, y'all. But, you know, I know now. Because it does look lighter. I don't know, you guys can't really see it because I don't know why my camera's being dumb today, but it definitely looks a little bit lighter than the rest of my face, and I feel like it is brightening my face a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this, and I'm just gonna go ahead a teeny bit with this right here because this part of my eye is so dark, and just brighten it up a teeny bit more. Go ahead with the whatever banana powder you have. It doesn't really matter. At least I don't think it does. I try not to inhale the banana powder, so just be careful because it is very much easy to inhale, which I don't really like because why would I want to inhale this? But you know, things happen, I guess. Okay, so that's the banana powder. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the contour. Go ahead and contour. I'm gonna use this brush that I got from the dollar store as my contour brush. And this color for contour. I feel like my face is still kind of sticky from the foundation, so like it's not gonna try to blend well. I'm gonna go ahead and do under here too, because I've seen a lot of people doing under here. I don't know why, I don't know what it does, but I see people doing it, so I want to do it. They're going right under there. I don't know what this do, but it better make me look good. I feel like I put too much. Is it supposed to be like right there? Are you supposed to see it? Guys, I don't know. Alright, whatever. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the brush and do right here. bring close to the chin, y'all. Gotta bring close to the chin. Okay, so now that I look insane, crazy, we're just gonna go ahead, do the nose, contour the nose. With this brush, same palette for contour, same color, and just make a line on the nose. So now I want to go ahead and just go in this part, I don't know what you call that, but this like indent, and blend it in up here, and then go like this. Try to connect the lines because I didn't connect them, I don't know why. So I'm gonna and I'm gonna wipe this brush off on something, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just try to blend it out best I can with the same brush. Take one of these fancy brushes that I got from the the 5 and Below store for like $3, and just go ahead and blend this in. All of this makeup that I'm using is super affordable. Most of it came like from super cheap places because I bought it myself. And I have no money. So, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the banana powder again. Go like this, right on the nose. Right on the nose. Go like this, right on the nose. Try not to get it right here because we still have to contour that place of the nose too, but we're gonna do that in a second. Okay. Now that you've got that, what you're gonna do is kind of wipe off this part because we still have to contour that part of the face. Dip it in your contour palette or whatever and make a little circle on your nose. Like make a line here, right? And then make a little circle right here. Like the button part of your nose. Just to make you look like you have a really cute elf nose. It'll just make you look really cute. So, wipe off this part because we don't need no banana powder there. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of make a line and then make this smaller. So if you want a smaller nose, y'all gotta fake it till you make it. Cause we can't get plastic surgery at this age. I'm just kidding. I'm just playing, guys. I like my nose. I don't have a problem with it. I never had a problem with my nose. I always liked my nose. But, you know, when you wear makeup, sometimes you just want it to look smaller. It's just that simple. Like, I don't make my nose smaller because I'm ashamed of it. I make it because I can and I know how to do it. Like, and it's cute. It's cute. Next step is to take this big fluffy brush and just fan everything off. This helps with mattifying your face completely, which is something that I really like. I don't want my face to look oily at all when I put on makeup, so that's why I like to bake my face, because I don't want to look oily ever. It's not cute, guys. It's just not cute. Now we're gonna go ahead and contour the forehead. I'm gonna take this curved brush and read it to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and just contour the forehead now with this dark, same color, but it's just darker than my forehead, which is nice, really pretty. Go ahead and make that forehead look as small as possible. So remember when we like couldn't blend this out? Take that big brush and just try your best, and it doesn't really matter because we're gonna go ahead and cover it and it's all gonna blend in nicely together. But now what we're gonna do, I feel like my nose can be smaller. So my camera turned off and I turned it back on, continue filming, and it recorded sideways. So I didn't put the footage in, but all I did was contour my nose a little bit, put on some powder foundation, and then my lips, it did have some lip gloss on it, but that was pretty much it. And I got these dollar store lashes on, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm so sorry about what happened to the footage, but I'll make sure that it won't happen again. And thank you for watching. Bye.